there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind or your wallet. Today, we're taking to the skies with two mini drones that promise to make you the next Spielberg of aerial footage. On the left, we have the RADCLO mini drone, and on the right, the ATTOP drone. Let's see which one is going to soar and which one is going to crash and burn. Metaphorically speaking, of course. First up, let's talk about the camera quality. The RADCLO mini drone comes with a 1080p HD camera that you can adjust manually up to 90 degrees. It's like having a GoPro attached to a mosquito. Meanwhile, the ATTOP drone boasts a 2K camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. That's right, folks, 2K. You could probably count the leaves on a tree from 200 feet away. Reviewers have noted that ATTOP's camera quality is superior, making it ideal for capturing detailed aerial footage. Now, let's get down to the dollars and cents. The RADCLO mini drone is priced at $62. It's like finding a diamond in the clearance bin at Walmart. On the other hand, the ATTOP drone will set you back $99. That's almost a Benjamin, folks. Reviewers say RADCLO offers great value for its price, while ATTOP, though pricier, is seen as a worthwhile investment for its features. Ease of use is next on our checklist. RADCLO claims to be beginner-friendly with its one-key takeoff, landing, and stable altitude hold. It even has a more powerful engine. Think of it as the Honda Civic of drones, reliable and won't break the bank. ATTOP, on the other hand, also offers one-button takeoff/landing, but throws in a one-key return feature, which means this drone can find its way home better than your drunk friend after a night out. Both have altitude hold functions, but ATTOP takes it a notch higher with voice control and gesture recognition. Reviewers find RADCLO to be generally easy to control, but some have faced issues with wind resistance. ATTOP, though a bit more advanced, is also user-friendly but can be tricky in windy conditions. Battery life is the lifeblood of any good drone. RADCLO comes with two 800 mAh batteries, giving you a solid 22 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to film your entire neighborhood and still have juice left to chase your cat around the yard. ATTOP, however, includes two 1,100 mAh batteries, lasting up to 20 minutes. A bit less flight time, but with more powerful batteries. It's like choosing between a marathon runner and a sprinter. Both will get the job done, but in their own unique ways. Reviewers have mentioned that while RADCLO offers decent battery life, ATTOP's batteries could use an upgrade for longer flights. Special features can make or break your flying experience. RADCLO's got a plethora of tricks: high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3D flip, and even gesture control. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of drones. ATTOP counters with its own arsenal: voice control, VR compatibility, and a 360 degrees flip. It's like the drone equivalent of a circus performer. Both have emergency stop and low battery warning features, so you can avoid those tragic drone stuck in a tree moments. Reviewers find RADCLO's features fun and engaging, while ATTOP's voice control and VR compatibility are seen as standout features. Summarizing online reviews, the RADCLO mini drone is praised for its affordability, durability, and ease of use, though some users have faced issues with wind resistance and battery charging. On the other hand, the ATTOP drone receives mixed reviews for its higher price point, but is lauded for its excellent camera quality and advanced features. Both drones have their quirks, but they offer unique advantages depending on what you're looking for. So which drone should you buy? If you're looking for affordability and a decent camera, the RADCLO mini drone has your name on it. But if you're willing to splurge a bit for a better camera and some extra bells and whistles, the ATTOP drone is your guy. Either way, you'll be flying high, literally and figuratively. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart, where we help you spend your money wisely and have a good laugh while doing it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Happy flying, smart shoppers! And don't forget to check the description for product links.